What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we're going to be doing a little test and review on this Top Vision battery jump starter pack for your car. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright. Whoops. So this is the 2200 amp peak, and this is 20,800 milliamp. That's the specs on it. So here is the power pack. Pretty lightweight, not too big, like an old school cell phone if you're that old. Let's see. Okay, and then looks like we got the hookup, and these are the battery leads. Then this is a cigarette lighter adapter, a female socket you can plug into here, so then you can plug in 12 volt accessories into here. Then this is a USB that we plug into here, and then this end goes into like your cell phone charger to charge this up via a wall outlet. It was $89.99, but watch out, it does come on sale for 20 to 30% off sometimes. I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description to this exact one. Alright, so on the top here, right here it says start engine. There's a little cover, we peel that back, and then we plug this into it. Looks like it can only go in one way, so you can't confuse that. I read the instructions real quick. Some other features, it has a light right here, and then these two USB are out ports, so you can go ahead and plug in like a cell phone charger or anything like that, any USB things you want to charge. Go ahead and power it up and see if we can't. Let's see, we got 84% right out of the box, so that should be good. So I think if you hold the power down for a few seconds, the light comes on, and then to turn it off, you just do it again. Alright, so I've been waiting to do this review until I had a car that wouldn't start, and on my truck, it just clicks like that. Doesn't have any juice. It's an old battery. Let's go ahead and try this thing out. So we'll come over to our battery and go ahead and move those covers out of the way. And we're going to go ahead and hook up our red lead first, and our black lead onto the negative side of our battery. So we double check you've got everything. This does have reverse polarity protection, but just go ahead and double check before. So red on plus, positive, black on negative, minus sign. Then we'll go ahead and power it up. And then we're just going to let it set for a minute. Go ahead and try it now. Cross your fingers. Come on, baby. Nothing. And it looks like I did it right. We'll go ahead and put it back on. It says still at 84. It says it needs to be at least 20% to use. It says something in the manual. It's kind of broken English, but we'll put it to the accessory on position, you know, right before the car started. So the start position, I guess, right before you start it. I just saw this. There's a little screen right here on the plug. It's lighting up, doing a little circular pattern. That must mean it's charging it. So we'll just let it do its thing for a couple minutes. Alright, so I went ahead and waited 5 minutes. Let's give it a test now. There we go. So then it says to disconnect this part first. The positive and the negative. Alright, so after jumping your car, you definitely want to let it run for a while to charge up the battery again, or if this is happening a lot, think about replacing your battery. And shout out to Project Farm for doing his testing on all these. That's why I kind of looked into getting this one. Alright guys, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching. Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.